designers are people who create things. When we create many different things, just like I told you from my friends, right? But you know, design is the art of critical thinking first, and then creativity, okay? Have any of you ever designed something? Yes, right? Okay, I have a lot of being with my creatives. And we're gonna create an empathy map so that we understand how our users speak, what they think, what they do, and what they say. All right? We're gonna prototype a solution. Now, do you know what prototype means? Oh, well, I want to hear this one. We're gonna go to this young lady right here. What you got for prototype?
A prototype is like your first draft or something.
Okay. We gotta make a fake one to see if it's gonna work. Did it break? Is it too big? Is it gonna be strong? Is it gonna hold up? So we make a fake. And that's what I want you guys to build me today.
Okay, so we did project 3, which was the one for Rose, because she was listening to music. She wasn't paying attention to warnings and yeah, she wasn't paying attention to warnings. So, you know, we did all this. So you know, you can pick it.
Go ahead. Delegate.
What she thinks is Rose is obviously thinking about her music and nothing else.
What do we think?
He think he should be able to play without his glasses.
Ooh, that sounds safe.
Go ahead.
I'm dangerous.
Okay.
He thinks that he is in the no glasses turtle.
No, I don't.